Hello everyone, welcome to Joy of Living. This is my second Vishal Megamart haul video. The new subscribers can check my previous shopping videos. I will leave the links in description box. Vishal has huge range of stuff at affordable prices. The new offers on Vishal are buy one get one free and buy three get one free offers. T-shirt as low as 99 rupees are available. Discounts coupon were also offered on certain products which could be redeemed on next purchase. These are the few apparels that I have bought on 1+1 and other offers. The bottom wear is of really good quality. So are the tees. These tees are priced as low as 99 rupees and are great for summer. The buy one get one free offer on women's apparels is also going on. Please do check in the store. Also the 3+1 offer on Mavi brand is also going on. This is from my previous Vishal Megamart haul video. I have left the link in the description box. This is the first buy one get one free product. I bought a pair of sleeveless tees for summer. The price of these tee is $2.99, which means one can pick any two tees for $2.99 only. This is how it looks when opened. Next are these tees for kids from buy one get one free range. The prints are really cool, bright colors. The price of these tee was $2.99, which means one can get two tees for $2.99 rupees only. This is the open look. It's in digital print. Next are these jeans. These were also on 1+1 offer. The quality of these jeans is really good. I picked one in darker shade while the other one was a lighter tone. So for a price of $7.99 you get two jeans, which is very cheap. These jeans were on offer in women's apparel section also. This is the washed look slim fit jeans. The pocket has design like this and the fabric is stretchable. This is the second jeans. The pocket has this type of design and the fabric is stretchable and jeans is a slim fit. Next are these olive green joggers of a stretchable fabric. The design near the knee is like this and it has elastic at the end. These joggers were priced at rupees 7.59. Next is this black colored bottom wear for rupees 199 only. This is for kids. Next are these tees in grey for just rupees 99 only. Tees in this range were available in different size and colors. I picked the grey ones for summers. This is how it looks when opened. Next are these tees of different price range for boys. The fabric is very soft, breathable cotton. The black one is for rupees 199 only. This is the open look. All these tees were priced for rupees 199 each. The last is this white one for rupees 299 only. It has a zipper opening in the front. Vishal also has huge collection of toys and stationery for kids. I bought a few for my kids. These are 3 toys that I bought for them. First is this Hot Wheels puzzles. It was on offer price of rupees 49. The box has 4 puzzles. Next is this business game for rupees 99 only. In my previous video, I have shown you some board games and educational toys that I bought. Last is this Disney sand art for rupees 199 only. Next are these wide range of coloring books and activity books for kids for just rupees 29 each. I bought a bunch of them to keep the kids engaged in vacations. This was a small Vishal Megamart haul video. I hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to Joy of Living for more such videos. Thank you.